CBD is an amazing plant. It gives the body the tools to feed its endocannabinoid system, which is the master control system for your body.
Okay.
So it'll fine-tune everything else in your body. So it's going to help your respiratory system, your circulatory system, your nervous system, all to work better. So it's going to fine-tune and allow your body to feed and heal itself.
Irie is amazing. It's all organic, all natural, just meant to be helpful therapeutic CBD products. So we have a couple different things. We have tinctures, pain creams. Tinctures have really easy names on them like Pain and Calm, Pat, Kids. We have capsules that are liposomal. And then we have a water-soluble product that we just are launching here at the show that you can put into any beverage. We're calling it a CBD liquid. It's amazing. It's like 10 times more effective than normal CBD. It's brilliant.
Isodiol, really the main brand here, is in bulk supply, proprietary encapsulation of CBD for increased delivery that we bulk supply as well, co-packing and white label manufacturing, and again we have our whole suite of consumer brands that go after different market verticals.
Charlotte's Web was one of the first ones that actually, when the story broke in CNN in 2013, not many people knew exactly what CBD was, and it kind of like broke that stigma, what it was used for, and so all those things. We make whole hemp extracts. So we grab all the phytocannabinoids in our plants are in the finished products. We make oils, capsules, a bed line, and then the topical line, which is a cream oil.
We're Hemp Meds, and we are a manufacturer of both human and animal products, making hemp-based CBD, extremely beneficial for overall health and wellness, and optimizing our ability to be the best that we can.
I'm Chris. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for Elixinol. Elixinol's been around for 4 years. We're one of the largest producers of CBD in the world. We've been doing it for, like I said, 4 years. We distribute in 40 different countries. We're really proud of our line of products, primarily because we've developed some really quality delivery systems. We have our capsules, which are a high-quality veggie cap. We have our tinctures, which are in a MCT oil, a really high-quality fat, so very much like bulletproof coffee type things that you can put in your coffee, and it's very bioavailable. We also have our liposomal product, which is taking a CBD molecule, bound it to a lipid, so it absorbs into your system very fast, and it's water soluble. Then we have our Respira, which is our most versatile tincture. It can be put on topically, it can be taken orally, or you can put it in your vape pen.
Our brand, as you can see here, is called MJBizCon. We are a European company. We were founded 6 years ago in Denmark, and now we moved our headquarters to the Netherlands. What we do is we produce hemp products from our own grown hemp, so we control the whole process from seed to shelf. We invest a lot of money back into research and development, and we also have a non-profit side of the business, which is called the Endoga Foundation.
Something that makes us very unique is that we are very transparent with our information in terms of certificates of analysis. We want to make sure that people know that the products are safe, be it for the human or for the animal. On the animal side in particular, we had some big issues with some recalls back in 2012, not us, but in the U.S. industry, because of products coming tainted with lead and things like that. And we want to make sure that none of that's going to be hurting our animals, so every product, every batch has a COA, has a lot number, and everything ties in together to make sure it's safe and efficacious.
We do so many different things. We really are pretty diverse as far as our portfolio. We really kind of are a one-stop shop. Whether you're looking to have someone co-pack your brand, whether you just need bulk ingredients to manufacture it yourself, or anything in between.
So we're completely vertically integrated. So we grow it, we produce it, we bottle it, we develop the delivery systems, we distribute it, and we sell it right to the customer. So we're completely seed to shelf.
Everything we put in the ground is organic. We use no herbicides. We practically take the weeds out of by hand. Our facility is registered in the FDA to manufacture dietary supplements. and we went through a third-party audit to get certified for CGMP compliance. So we tried to do everything at the highest level of quality.
Food Foundation will provide free CBD products for people who cannot afford it or have low income.
That's great.
And on the research and development side, as you can see here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep the product as natural as possible. Basically what that means is as soon as we extract it, we don't alter what we extracted. We leave it as it is, as it comes from the plant. We believe that's the best recipe. And we're trying to develop more and more delivery methods. So as you can see, we have oils, we have capsules, we have chewing gum, which other companies don't have. We have CBD suppositories, various crystals, we have paste, and we have dermatological products for skincare. So
yeah.
What we're just trying to do is we're trying to bring the things that are in the plant and that work to the people in as many forms as possible.
Okay.
And when people can't afford it, we're trying to help as many as we can.
So we're kind of taking that idea of CBD is good for all these things, and then we're taking other additives like peppermint and lavender essential oil to help with anxiety, curcumin to help with pain.
Okay, so it's more than just the CBD.
More than just the CBD. We know CBD is great, but CBD, just like everything else, you know, it can use some help and support to do its job a little bit better.
But the quality of the competitors has improved.
Yeah.
That has made us want to make a better product. So I think that's a good thing in the industry in general. Challenges, well, obviously, you know, banking's still an issue. Maybe if the federal farm bill passes and includes some of these CBD extracts, then that will definitely help things along for good people and for bad people. So, you know, now we have a lot of great competition in it. You know, this opens up, you might get some shady ones in. So time will tell, you know, who are the good ones.
One of the biggest challenges really is just changing public opinion, letting people know that this is safe, that it's legal, you know, and that's just part of pulling back the years and layers of propaganda and lies against one of the greatest products that has been ever available.
Yeah.
Probably perception, just like the rest of the industry and the THC side of the industry.
Yeah.
You know, there's still a lot of confusion over the laws and regulations surrounding CBD, and depending on where it's derived, it's still kind of a state-by-state thing. There's a lot of folks that'll tell you it's federally legal, and that's technically true, but it doesn't mean it's legal in all 50 states.
Yeah,
there actually are a few states that have passed prohibition laws even against hemp-derived CBD. So that's similar problems, just not quite as severe.
Yeah.
I think not only us, I think everyone on the CBD industry right now, it's expanding really quickly. It's growing really fast.
Yeah.
And the problem everyone is facing is education. There's a lot of companies who are selling so-called snake oil, and that means that companies produce products just to do a quick cash grab, but the product doesn't work, or it doesn't even have any CBD in it. And that's a problem for everyone, because as soon as a customer loses faith in CBD products, he's not going to buy from us, he's not going to buy from any other company, because he thinks that CBD doesn't work and it's a scam. So the biggest problem that everyone faces, not only us, I think, is the lack of education. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to educate the customers as well. Even if you don't choose our brand, that's fine with us as long as you choose a quality product.
That's great.
Sure. The challenge is education. I mean, a lot of the questions you just asked. Tell me about CBD. We have to continue to educate people on CBD, what it is. Our medical system and education system has not properly prepared the world for this. It's a new thing, even though it's been around forever. So we're having to educate people on that. And then confusion around marijuana versus hemp, because we're completely available throughout the United States and 40 different countries.
I think the awesome thing about Irie is that because it's so much different than other CBD companies, because we're doing things at such a therapeutic level, that the only challenges are just getting to enough people to talk about it and understand what's going on. You know, so we're kind of, I feel like at Irie we're kind of elevating the CBD conversation.
Yeah.
And so the challenge is just getting that message out there to more and more people.
One of the big things we've been doing is actually opening up new markets. So the fact that you're actually going to see CBD prior to legalization in Mexico and in Brazil was our company. So we've been a company of first that's really pushed for legalization worldwide of using these products. HempMeds Mexico, HempMeds Brazil, really, really proud of everything we've been doing. And that came down to inhumane treatment of children. If you didn't give them access to CBD that may support them and help them with epilepsy and other issues, well, that's inhumane treatment of humans, and we fought for that. So we're really proud of that. We do it every day.
Education, as always.
Education.
You know, doing the show circuits, especially working on medical professionals in the medical establishment. And I think those are the folks that are going to move the needle the most.
Okay.
When doctors start demanding access to to these medicines to treat their patients with it, I think that's when you really start to see policy change.
Right now, we're just focusing on our quality. Basically, quality, expanding our sales, and pretty much letting people know our brand, our name. That's what we're doing, and then when all these things happen, we'll still be there at the top, hopefully.
Throughout the United States, Canada, Mexico, a little bit in South America, specifically Brazil, a little bit in Europe and the UK, and hopefully more places in the very near future.
Our products are distributed worldwide. We're available in all 50 states. We've been able to, as a publicly traded company, navigate the legal woes and be able to get out not just into the United States, but outside. Because we do have our certificates of import and export, so you'll find us in several countries, not just here.
We distribute products all over the world, and we do that. Yeah, since we're a European company, right? We have an office in the U.S. So in the U.S., we ship everything from inside the U.S. And the rest of the world we ship from Europe. So we ship to Asia, we ship to South America, we ship to Canada, we ship to Japan, Australia, basically all over the world.
Are you ready for your debut? Yeah? So cute. Okay.